Senator Risa Hontiveros is hoping that former Senator Leila De Lima would consider running for senator in the 2025 midterm elections. Hontiveros says De Lima's life mission to public service continues after she was given justice from the crimes pointed against her.
Bagamat alam ko na yung isang almost naturally o automatically magiging bahagi ng life's mission niya moving forward ay sabi nga niya, nabigyan siya ng hustisya pero isa lamang siya bagamat pinakakilala no, na naging biktima sa war on drugs at pag-justify sa war on drugs ni Duterte.
According to Hontiveros, De Lima should really consider running in the midterm polls and join the opposition party.
At lagi niyang pinaalala yung hustisya din para sa lahat ng mga na balo at naulila dahil sa extrajudicial killings na iyan. But yes, I hope that she will also consider running again for the Senate. Bigyan lang natin siya ng pagkakataon na pag-isipan po iyan sa mga araw na iyon.
De Lima, who is a staunch critic of former President Rodrigo Duterte, was accused of being involved in the legal drug trade at the New Bilibid prison and was arrested in 2017. On June 24, the Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court acquitted her in the last drug-related case filed against her by the Duterte administration. Apart from De Lima, Senator Risa Hontiveros further says she had hoped that former Vice President Leni Robredo would also consider running for a Senate seat in the upcoming midterm elections. But Robredo earlier disclosed that running for senator is no longer included in her options for the elections, as she prefers to gun for the mayoral post of Naga City in Bicol.